We're going to be removing and replacing the air filter on this 2018 Mercedes C300. First step is going to be remove the top cover here. All you have to do is get underneath the cover and pull up on it, and these little balls and socket go into here, these rubber grommets. So you just pop it out, put that to the side, and the air filter is going to be right over here. And we're going to be removing these torque screws. I think they're 25 T25s, but we're going to see right now. Remove that, and then we're going to remove this hose clamp, and then the air filter box will be open and we can remove the air filter. So let's go do that. Okay, so we're using a T25 torque. Turn it counterclockwise. Okay, now we're going to remove this clamp. Using a flathead screwdriver. You turn it counterclockwise. Okay. So we got loose enough for us to be able to remove the top, and we can have access to the air filter here. Okay, so we got the new air filter ready to go in. Exact same thing, you lift it up, you put it in, make sure that it's sitting exactly flush all around the airbox. Make sure that it's nice and flush. And then make sure that the back hooks on the back of the box go underneath these little clamps that are down over here on the back. Okay. Like you push down and in. We're first going to tighten down the box. Don't go too much because you can strip the lower part. And tighten down the hose clamp. And that's how you replace a air filter on a 2018 Mercedes C300. Thank you. Don't forget the cover.